Magandang umaga po, members. Today we celebrate the Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club Independence Day Tournament. Today we celebrate the day that we gained independence from the colonial regime of the Spanish era during the year 1898. Today we celebrate freedom from them.
Independence Day, Mount Malarayat.
The format for today's tournament is a 5-club thing. It is an aggregate score for 2 players. Now, if we combine it with Independence Day, it's just like playing your game and his game towards a certain goal. That goal for freedom, that goal for choosing your right clubs, that goal for independence.
Of course, it's freedom, parang golf. This is the moment kung saan nagkaroon kang kapayapaan, kalayaan sa paglalaro after all the work that has been done. Ito yung panahon para naman ma-relax at magkaroon ng peace. Yun. Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence Day, Mount Malarayat!
Happy Independence Day, Mount Malarayat! Thank you!
Sabi ng dad ko, gusto niya daw ma-experience ko kung paano daw mag-tournament dito. Kaya kami nag-join. Yeah. Thank you, Mount Malarayat!
Sumasali po kami for our bonding and for fun.
Thank you to all the organizers of this Independence Day tournament.
Of Mount Malarayat. Good job!
So, members, I hope you enjoy this day and I hope that we can see you in the awarding ceremony at JP Laurel Hall. Thank you very much and happy golfing.
Shoot!
Check this out! What it's all about! Happy Independence Day, Mount Malarayat! Yes! This is it! Check this out! This is amazing! Pangrapol lang score.
Sir, kamusta po ang laro so far?
So far? Nice weather!
Maganda weather.
Nice weather, good companion, beautiful day.
Blow my mind, yeah, watch it come round. This is it. It's gonna be big, it's the future hit. We're just on the brink of it. Larger than life, can't help but watch this. No doubt about it. This is it. The new sensation.
Happy Independence Day, Mount Malarayat! Woohoo!
Because I love to play golf and I want to win trophy. Happy Independence Day, Mount Malarayat!
Sir, kamusta ang laro so far?
Ganda ng weather. Ganda ng weather. Wala nang tanungan.